Monitors Anywhere presents the new local folder feature in MAWi Link. This feature allows you to point your players to a folder located on your server or network. Drop files in the hot folder and they play automatically on your screens. First, we need to prepare the hot folder. This folder should be located on the MAWi server PC or on any network shared folder that is accessible. Create the folder and take note of the folder's path. This is the path we will reference later when creating the local folder playlist item. Now let's create the playlist item in MAWi. Go to the playlists library and create a new one. Give the playlist a name, for example, Lobby Displays. Ensure that the Android toggle is set to on. Click Add New Item and choose the Local Folder tab. Next, enter the same hot folder path you prepared earlier. You can sort the items alphabetically or by newest first. Next, set the time spent per item. This controls how long each item remains on the screen before the playlist moves to the next item. The default is 30 seconds, but you can adjust this based on your content. If the folder contains video files, they will always play for their full duration automatically. Once everything looks good, click Save to finish adding the item to your playlist. Assign the playlist by simply dragging it onto the screen's thumbnail. Click Play now and you're all set. Files are synced automatically when new content is added. With the local folder feature, updating your digital signage is as easy as dropping new files into a folder. It's fast, efficient, and powerful.